Hello, it is me, Maya. I want to share a story about organizing my things and being responsible. It was Saturday morning. I remembered I had art homework to finish. Miss Yuki is my art teacher. She teaches me painting, drawing, and creativity. Miss Yuki gave us homework this week. We had to draw a picture of our favorite place. I wanted to draw the park. I needed my crayons. I went to my bedroom. I opened my art drawer. Inside, everything was mixed up. Crayons were rolling around everywhere. Pencils were scattered. Papers were torn and folded. It was very messy. I searched for my red crayon. I needed it to draw the slide, but I could not find it. I felt frustrated. I said out loud, "Where is my red crayon? I cannot find it anywhere." My mummy heard me. She came to my room. She looked at my drawer and said, "Your art drawer is very messy, Maya. Maybe it is time to organize it." I said, "But that will take so long. I need to finish my homework." Mummy said, "It might take time, but then you will be able to find things easily. Would you like help?" I thought for a moment. I said, "I will try by myself first." Mummy nodded and left. I looked at the messy drawer. I took a deep breath. I said to myself, "First, I will take everything out. Then I can see what I have." I started taking everything out of the drawer. Crayons spread across my desk. Pencils rolled. Papers unfolded. Soon my desk was covered with art supplies. Then I said, "Now I will sort by type. Crayons here, pencils here, paper here." I made 3 piles. 1 pile for crayons, 1 pile for pencils, 1 pile for paper. Next, I organized my crayons by color. I picked up each crayon and put it in the right group. As I sorted my crayons, I said, "R is for red. R says R for red." I found my red crayon. It was at the bottom. I kept sorting. O is for orange. O says O for orange. Y is for yellow. G is for green. G says G for green. B is for blue. B says B for blue. P is for purple. P says P for purple. Now my crayons were in beautiful colorful rows. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. I put small cups on my desk. I put each color group in a cup where I had different shades of the same color. Then I organized my pencils. I stacked my papers neatly. I put everything back in the drawer. The drawer looked so neat and colorful now. I felt very proud. My mummy came back. She said, "Maya, your drawer looks wonderful. You did a great job." I said, "Thank you. Now I can find my red crayon easily." Mummy said, "Organizing takes time, but it saves time later." Now I could finish my art homework. I took out my paper. I took my red crayon for the slide. I took my green crayon for the grass. I took my blue crayon for the sky. I took my yellow crayon for the sun. I drew myself on the swing, smiling. I drew my favorite place, the park. When I finished, I looked at my drawing. It looked beautiful. I felt happy. On Monday, I gave my homework to Miss Yuki. She smiled and said, "This is wonderful, Maya. I love how you use so many colors." I learned something important that day. When things are messy, it is hard to find what we need. But when we take time to organize, everything becomes easier. Organizing means sorting things by type or color. It means putting things in the right place. At first, it feels like it takes a long time. But later, it saves time. Now, when I need a specific color, I know exactly where to find it. Do you have a messy drawer or toy box? How do you organize your things? What do you do when you cannot find something? Next time I will tell you about a new story. Goodbye for now.